today we get the top 5 questions of kids. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And the bell. And come on, follow me. The round is starting. Our first one is that is 2 plus 2. The loser is poopy farts. It's 4. Question is, can you believe people? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is no. The third answer is, what is my laptop? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Vista. I'm sorry, player. The fourth question is, can you break glass? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is no. I'm sorry, Stoner. Fifth question. Does the SA and Russia lose the competition of pizza? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is yes. I'm sorry, Mr. Ghost. Great job, Angel and Madeline. Only Claire, Mr. T is a Roblox now. This is the end of the first part of our video. So guys, now we're in the second part of my video. Hello guys. Now we proceed to the 3D5 questions of adults. Come on, do it together. What would you use for a tooth fairy to give you tea? What would you use? What? I didn't print this. This is what? What would you use for a tooth fairy? Give you 3 wishes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eat Roblox figures. Among Us figures and a gold coin. A book and a gold coin. are the only person of all, what should be the first thing you would do? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do everything by myself. What is the funniest thing ever happened to you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the funniest thing is Mommy found different clothes. You wanted to make everyone on the planet smile. How would you do it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By loving them. If we could talk to an animal, what do you think we would say? We are the two animals. I'm a cow and I say woo. How can you help if the grabber running? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn off electrical devices that are not in use. If you wrote a book, what did we about? The book. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The book. What makes you feel happy? 5, 4. What makes you feel happy? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By playing toys. What is something not allowed to do that you could do? The risk is by playing toys, and that is do not bring a knife. If you are a president of a country, in a day, what's the first thing would you do? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is I am the President of United Kingdom. Because I will play in United Kingdom. How to be a kid? Get a baby and it will grow by feeding food and milk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get a baby and grow it and be eating food and milk. And the song goes, and how to and reach them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Long kicks. What can you do to help the planet Earth? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is reduce and recycle. If you could invent another move, what would it be? Show me. Show me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Hello Mother. I want to be ready to grow up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Play man needs to be spider. If it is an animal, what can it be? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a mushroom cow. If you could have a superpower, what would it be? It's invisibility. It's invisibility. It's invisibility. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's invisibility. If you eat food that is the same color for the rest of your life, what color do you choose? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is yellow and orange. What is your favorite book and dry? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I love the Among Us book, and because I like it has English abilities. It doesn't. Western draft. What do you have to learn about? What is your favorite subject? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is math. What is the 12 digits of 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3.159265358 Da 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 da. What do you think is the meaning of life? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God. Class to draft. What is one thing you did change about the world? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The future. Question. The sky contains food, has food, the right for it to rain down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is chocolate. For watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and always be happy. Bye!